What's up, everyone? It's your boy and his tech. I keep forgetting that's my new name now. It's a boy and his tech here, back with a new video. And I wasn't even going to do a video on this. I was just going to unbox it right now and just play with it by myself. But so you know what? I need content for the channel, so why not just unbox this? Because this is a new thing. It was my birthday this past weekend, and you know, birthday you get birthday gifts, right? Well, and this was my birthday gift. So this is the somewhat new, came out about maybe 2 months ago, Oculus Quest 2. This is not my first time using the VR. I used a what was it, PlayStation VR before in the past. It was okay, not amazing, but I want to try this out because no wires in VR sounds amazing. So why not just enter this whole new world? So this is what I decided to do, and I'm super excited to unbox this right here. It's gonna be a quick one-take unboxing. It's like 10 p.m. and I had to put my ceiling lights on. Tell me how this lion looks actually, because if this lion looks pretty decent, I might just record at night from now on, because why not? It's a bright white light, and I have like a green light here. I'm rambling, always ramble. Let's just unbox this. This is the box right here with the Oculus Quest. So let's just get into this, you know. Sorry for that. My throat, whenever I sneeze, my throat gets a little like sore. So that's pretty much what that is. This is the box right here. I should probably show you the back of this right here. So shows the games. This is the 256 gigabyte model because they did not have any more 64. I really don't think I need 256. But you know what? You gotta do what you gotta do, right? Alright, this is it right here. So you're gonna get the first glimpse. It doesn't fall out. Alright, let me see. Ooh, it looks nice. You know, I wasn't so sure about the white color. I usually like black tech. I said now, but the PS5 is white color. But I don't know. I feel white gets dirty, right? So that's why I prefer black. But let's just start taking the stuff out. So first thing first is this box. Not sure what's in here. Let's open it up. Oculus logo. There's a lot of controversy with this Oculus because of Facebook, and you have to use Facebook account. But you know, that's what it is, right? This is the charger. So this is a USB-C. Not sure how many watts this is. I would assume it's pretty decent if you're going to charge a whole VR headset. It does use USB-C, so it's always nice to have a new USB-C cable. So I cannot complain. And the next thing would be the touch controller. So these are the controllers. I'll show you this one right here. And you know, pretty cool. So this is the right hand one, or I would assume so. Yeah. So, and this one has A, B. This one has X, Y. Menu start, or start menu select. I don't know. It's my first thing. You got the shoulder buttons here and another one here. Pretty lightweight. It feels good in the hand. I kind of like it. So there's that. And then the bad boy, which you'll be waiting for here, right here, the bad boy. And, so I didn't get no accessories because you can't find any accessories anywhere. Like, it's so hard to find accessories for this thing. It's hard to find the 64 gigabyte model anywhere because Christmas time. This is the glasses spacer that's gonna go inside the headset. But I definitely need that because you see me wearing glasses. Alright, so it gives you instructions. It said move lenses left or right to find clearest view. It's when you like using it. That's how VRs work. Let's do that. Alright, so this is it. This is the Oculus Quest 2. So it's like an off-white, grayish kind of white color, but not completely like white. Sure, let me see if I can show you. I don't know if I should do that. Don't know if they're gonna mess up anything. But this is Oculus. I never used the Oculus before. I guess these are the sensors here. Maybe power. I've never used one of these before, so I have no clue what I'm getting myself into. I'm excited though. Like the PSVR is cool to a certain extent, but the wires are annoying. So it kind of kills the whole mood. But this, no wires. I can just pop it on whenever I want to play some Beat Saber. That's gonna be dope. So that's pretty much the unboxing. Nothing crazy. Like Pretty simple. The box that it comes with pretty nice. Like it's a pretty nice box. Might keep that for a while. I like to hoard boxes for some reasons. I don't know why. But that's pretty much it. This is a pretty fast video. I'm just going out here giving you content. This thing is pretty substantial. It's kind of heavy. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm really looking forward to using it. The controllers feel really nice in the hand. I'm not gonna lie with you. It feels way better than the PlayStation motion controller. Those things gotta go. That's it. Thanks for watching, and peace out.